Go on, kick his butt.
Oh, you've seen the sense of posture there, look.
Yeah, look at the posture, standing up straight.
Yeah, real straight.
This is electrified. Oh, beautiful.
Well, it didn't last for long, did it? Damn it. Have it to
Nice.
do. Have it to do. The biggest crop you've ever seen is the bow geckos on the field so far. That's it.